This is what your Windows 11 look like after ending this video. This tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11, 25, AS2 and other version as well. I'll show you step by step how to customize Start menu, Taskbar and Explorer as well. So let's dive into the video. Welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to give your Windows 11 the wow factor with this ultimate Fluent theme step by step. First you have to create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. Click on search and type your restore point. Then click on create a restore point. Select a C drive, click on create and give it a name. Then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your system using this restore point. And one more thing, this customization doesn't consume much RAM or other resources. Now go to this folder. I'll put the link in the description box, and then first you have to set the wallpaper. Just right click on this wallpaper and then click on set as desktop background. And now we have to ready our system for using custom theme. To do that, you have to install this tool called Secure-X. Unzip this file and then cut this folder. Then go to your C drive and paste it here. And then open this folder. Then right click on this theme tool. Then click on run as administrator. And then click on yes. And then check these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. After reboot, your system is ready for using any custom theme. Okay, now I'm going to apply the theme. First unzip these theme files. And then copy these theme files. Go to this PC, C drive, Windows, resources and themes directory and paste it here. Then click on continue. Okay, now I'm going to apply the theme. To apply the theme, go to your C drive again and open Secure-X theme tool again. Then right click on this theme tool and then click on run as administrator. Then click on yes. And in here you have to select the theme. If you like the dark theme, you can apply the dark theme, or you can apply the light theme as well. Just select the theme and click on apply. I'd like to use the dark theme. Click on apply. And it is applied. Okay. Now we have to install this tool called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. Download and install it. It is pretty easy to install. Just download and install it. After installation, you'll see an interface like this. Then click on browse for mods. And first we are going to install Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click on details and install it. Then click on settings. And for the theme section, select Minimal Explorer 11 and click on save. Now search for resources redirect. Click on details and install it as well. Now I'm going to apply the icon pack. First unzip this icon pack. Then cut this folder, or you can copy this folder. Then go to C drive and paste it here. Then right click on this folder and click on copy as path. And open Windhawk. Click on settings, paste it here. Remove this quotation mark. Click on save settings. It will apply the icon pack. As you can see, some icon has not applied yet. To fix this, right click on taskbar, click on task manager and search for Windows Explorer. Right click on it, click on restart. Okay, as you can see, some folder has not changed yet. I'll show you how to fix it. Just right click on this script, click on run as administrator click on run and click on yes. Now I'm going to apply the blur effect. To apply the blur effect, unzip this blur mica and cut this folder, go to C drive and paste it here. Open this folder, then right click on this config file and show line, make it true to false. Click on file and save. Then right click on this register and click on run as administrator, click on yes. Now open Windhawk again and search for Explorer. And File Explorer Win UI like content animation, click on details, install it. And for the minimalist look, you can hide home, gallery and OneDrive in Explorer. If you don't want to use it, just skip it. Click on install and install. And now I'm going to show that how to customize the start menu and taskbar. Open Windhawk, click on Explorer and first install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details, install it. And copy this Taskbar Styler, go to Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. And now install Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Click on Details and install it. Click on Advanced and paste it here. Click on Save. Now install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on Details and install it. Then go to this folder again. And copy this Start Menu Styler. Click on Details and paste it here. Click on Save. And this is it for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.